Right, pen making day. Wife and I did a little shopping on Penn Station Industries, where I get some of my pen supplies. Ordered a couple different kits and got a couple in for a client of mine that really like what they look like, so whip you around, let you see what we're working with here. So got a variety. These are their camouflage ones, all different colors. And then we got their, I think they're called shattered or fractured, one or the other. Can't remember which one. We got 5 different pen kits. That one's a pearl, a satin pearl. Then we got a gunmetal, we got a chrome plated, 24 karat gold, and then a copper plated. Ones we're gonna work on today. This is a gear shift pen kit. It's gunmetal, and I believe that I've got this blank here. Don't know if you can see it real well. I'll bring it over the light. So this is an acrylic blank that I bought. That's gonna be for that kit. And then this motorcycle pen kit. He owns a Harley Davidson, so we decided to get one that it's called Burning Embers. It's kind of a got the orange and yellow for Harley Davidson. So I'm gonna get the drill press set up. These are all 10mm pens. I got the bushings for the kit. So get these 2 drilled out, get the tubes glued, which on these kits they come sanded already, the tubes do. So get those glued in, glue them in with some CA glue, hit it with the activator, get them on the lathe, and we'll get them turning. Picked up a new face shield because I turned 2 pens out of this kit already, and the chips that come flying off of this stuff when you try to true the tube up or the blank up hurts a lot. So I got a new little gizmo mounted to the lathe. So when we get on the lathe, I'll probably end up putting you in that mount and see what kind of a video it gives us. So we'll get things set up and get ready to go. So it's actually got a little gear shifter on it. I don't know if you can make that out or not. That's pretty neat. Hot Molly. And then, like I said, tube's already sanded, so we just need to mark it and get it on the lathe. Get it in the drill press, I mean. Alright, so I forgot to hit record when I glued up the tube, but just hit it with the ran some CA glue around the tube, stuck it in, slid it in and out, twirling it around to spread the glue out evenly, centered it up in the tube, hit it with some activator. I'll let it dry for a second, maybe 5 minutes or so, and then I'll get you transferred over to the lathe and we'll start getting you turned. Alright, so that's sanded down all the way to 3,000 grit. I got some high gloss, ultra non-drying, non-caking. Pick it up at Woodcraft. Probably hit it with about 4 coats of it. I noticed that the more I put on there, the better the feel. Right now it's actually pretty darn smooth, but that should go pretty nice with that gear shift pen. You should be really happy with it. So I'll set you guys back up. I'll run it through the polish snack, and then we'll get you set up over on the bench, and we'll get this pen put together. Alright, that was 4 coats of it. I think that's all it needs. Really shows the gray, the red. And like I said, it's extremely smooth. So I'll get you set up in the other stand, over there at the bench, and we'll get this pen put together. Alright, so this piece here is that's going to get pressed into the tube. This end will go into the tube. This end is what the nib screws into. So that'll finish that off. Then obviously the gear shift part of it, this end is going to go into the barrel. This little piece, which is actually pretty neat, I don't know if you can pick it up, but there's a gear in the end of it. That'll just screw into the end just to finish it off. And then of course you got the ink refill, or the ink cartridge. These are refillable too. And then you got the handy dandy little spring. So let's start putting this thing together. So looking at it, I'm liking the red going towards the tip, especially like this. It points towards the tip. This goes towards the tip. So that's going to be the part that gets the nib. Alright, so I forgot to press the record button. Call me a new YouTuber, rookie mistake, whichever. But they pretty much just pressed right in. So that's a little gear mechanism. So on top of the gear mechanism goes a little cap that's threaded. Just a couple screws in, and then the ink cartridge has got a little protective cone on it. So we're gonna take that off. We're going to drop that up in there. Make sure that it's fully engaged. And we're going to drop the spring in. There's one. A little spring's got some tension to it. Alright, so let me take you over to the light where you can see a little bit better. So the first group, the first 4 gears, I guess you'd say, the pen doesn't come out. It's once you go all the way, must be either first gear or reverse, I guess. There is some writing on it. Oh, reverse is all the way to the top. My bad. So when you put it in 5th or 6th gear, that's when it's fully extended. So I'll get some good pictures of it inside, and then get the video posted. I was gonna put together a video of just the gear shift pen, but since these are going to the same guy, I got the motorcycle pen kit made through Penn Station, same company. It's got some really really neat features to it. It's got a little kickstand, or a kickstart. It's got little chrome exhaust pipes. And then it's got like an eagle emblem. But that's pretty much all the pieces to it. This is a little bushing. It gets pushed into the tube after the blank's made. That way the nib screws into it. Then this part here, that gets pushed into the opposite end, obviously. It's got the tiny little spring. If you can even pick it up, there it is. But picked up a Sensi rolls on a Harley. Figured I'd pick up one, bring it over to the light. It's got some orange and yellow and black. I showed it in the beginning of the video, I believe, but like I said, I'm merging two videos into one. That way I can just showcase both pens at the same time. So I'm gonna get it set up, mark the blank out, cut it, drill it, glue the tube in, hit it with some of the accelerator, make it set up quicker. Then I'll square up the ends, get it on the lathe, we'll get it turned, get it put together. So here we go. That's not good. That's better. All right, so we'll let that one set up for a minute. All right, like I was saying before, this one's a little different. You got something on you. There you go. This one's a little bit different. So looking at the flames and the way they go, I think I'm gonna put the flames like they're going down to the ground or down to the nib. So let's get this thing put together. Didn't get pushed all the way down the first time. There was leaving a little gap in between the little orange ring and the body of it. So now that that's in there, we'll unscrew that and we'll push this guy in there. It's a pretty tight fit. There's a hairline gap, but not that bad. So then we gotta take a little cap off the ink. We'll drop him all the way down in. Gotta activate the kickstand, sorry. So that goes in there. We're gonna drop the pen spring on, and then we'll redo the nib. There's a Kickstart pen. Some definite weight to it, especially with all the metal work up on the end here. But they made it look like it's an engine block. Fins for the engine block, little kickstand, little chrome pipes, and then like I said, it's got the little eagle. Let me get a little more light on it here. So you can pick up the eagle head on the end of it. And like I said, it's got the chrome pipes, little kickstand to activate the pen. Overall, really nice pen. So I got a couple pictures of this. Like I said, I'm trying to cut out some of the stuff I talked about at the end of the other pen, because I was going to do just one video for that pen, one video for this pen, but since they're going to the same group, same guy, it's actually a father and son. They have a detailing company here in town. They used to ride Harleys, one's into the car scene, so figured might as well do up a motorcycle pen, a gear shift pen for them. So I'll snap a couple photos, put them up at the end, group them together, maybe do a pair pictures with the two pens laying together, just give you an overall view of them. Again, thanks for watching. Make sure you hit the like button. Make sure you subscribe. Appreciate it.